Come here. My grandma likes to collect ducks. I'm gonna act like I found a dead bird or something. Let's see what she does.
Do those four things have...
Grandma, I
Oh,
thought...
please don't.
Grandma.
Okay. Don't, please! Don't! Oh my God! Please, don't! Don't call the police! Don't! Oh, Jesus Christ!
It's a chicken.
Oh, God. Okay, get that out of my face, please. No, that's not even funny. No, that's not funny.
I was bored. Grandma.
Okay. You know what? No! Damn you. Okay, you and I...